I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. I know it has been a while, you guys, since I made a cleaning video, but a lot has been going on. It's just been a lot, you guys, but I wanted to make a cleaning video for you guys and kind of just give you some updates as to what is going on in my life. And if you have watched my main channel, you would definitely be up on the craziness that's taking place. But I just wanted to bring you guys a new cleaning video, and hopefully it motivates and inspires you guys to clean some areas in your home that is on your to-do list. So let's go ahead and get cleaning.
Don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned.
So I wanted to give you guys a little life update as to what's been going on. You guys know that I was in the midst of a divorce, and it is finalized. He applied for an express divorce, which I did not know that that was possible, but he filed for divorce, and it is finally over, and I received the papers. He served me the papers on Mother's Day weekend of this year, and the divorce was finalized in August. So we turned 21 years of marriage, and I believe a couple weeks after it was finalized. So it's been hard. It's been crazy, but I have been getting better every day, day by day. It's been getting easier, and I'm able to see a lot of things clearly, and, kind of just see a lot of the signs and a lot of the things that was taking place in my marriage that wanted to talk about, but, every time we would talk about it, I was dismissed in certain ways, and a lot of blame, and it's been a journey, and I am honestly I'm happy that it's over, because now I can just move on and live my life and be happy. So I wanted to give you guys that update that is finalized, and now my kids and I, we are in this season of figuring things out. And also my car has almost kicked the bucket. I was on my way home from work, and the entire muffler of my car fell out. So we are in the process of looking for a new vehicle, a new used car right now. So that is proving to be a little challenging. So a lot of things is going on, but there's also a lot of good that's taking place, and God is just so good, and he's faithful, and he's on time. And I am just so grateful for my community, my family. I'm grateful for my friends. I'm grateful for you guys, and even my subscribers, my friends over on my main channel. I mean, everyone has just been really like rallying around my kids and I, and it's just been such an amazing healing process. We are still healing and, figuring life out. I don't have it all figured out. I don't think I ever will, but I'm just really trusting God on this journey, because I don't know what direction, the Lord is taking us in, but I do know that he is with us and he's leading us. And I just want to be in his will, because it's the safest place to be. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update. You guys are going to see I did get a little furniture in my home. I've been doing some Goodwill shopping and some Facebook Marketplace, and 90% of the furniture I do have in my home is it's free. It's been given to me for free off of Facebook Marketplace. And Goodwill, I found a leather couch on Goodwill for $35, you guys, and it's just been so good. So God is working. He is blessing, and he is making a way, and just showing up and showing out. And I cannot be more grateful. I am so grateful. Even in the midst of the situation, circumstances, all these things that's taken place, God is still good, y'all. He is so incredible. And I just praise him. I glorify him, and I give him all the honor and all the praise. So I just want to thank you guys so much for joining me today, and hopefully you guys are enjoying this video.
Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. 'Cause we want different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, 'cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. 'Cause we want different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, 'cause you really seem to know how to carry on.
So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video inspired you guys to tackle some things that has been on your to-do list as we clean together. I know it was a very short video, but I do have more cleaning videos coming up for you guys. So definitely, continue to hang in there with me, and we'll definitely start getting cleaning and organizing this house, you guys, as I am finally starting to find my footing here in Georgia. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye.